and welcome to our channel. If you enjoyed the X-Men franchise, you'll find the discussion on Henry Cavill intriguing. As a veteran X-Men enthusiast, I'd resonate with the notion of Cavill embodying Cyclops rather than Wolverine in the MCU. While Cavill's portrayal of a Wolverine variant in Deadpool and Wolverine had its charm, the idea of him as official Wolverine faces skepticism. Fans expressed concerns about his height and appearance, echoing past critiques aimed at Hugh Jackman. And to address this, Marvel Studios could aim for a more comic-accurate Wolverine depiction in future adaptations. Although Cavill's Cyclops portrayal seems fitting due to his leadership qualities and experience in superhero roles. And so the prospect of Cavill taking on the role of Cyclops excites me, considering his potential to bring depth and authenticity to the character. And his proven ability to portray powerful moral leaders aligns well with Cyclops' persona. In the realm of superhero casting, Cyclops could be the perfect fit for Cavill, offering a fresh take on a beloved character. With Cavill's track record, envisioning him as all the leader of the X-Men in the MCU brings anticipation for upcoming Marvel stories. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.